I wish I would have known this years ago. It would have saved me decades out of my life journey. So enjoy and thank me later. First, track your family bloodline. Find all the documents, pictures, info you can find. 2. Get a proclamation trust drawn up with your family ties and nationality. 3. And put in the state and county newspapers. 4. Get a family Bible, document all of that information, all the way up to the present. 5. If you come across land while searching family history, start the process on getting a allodial title. If not, start by buying a couple acres of land in rural county areas. If you have an elderess or a parent on disability, you can put the land in a trust for them and make the family the heirs to the land. They can qualify to be tax exempt on the land as well. 6. Get your family estate planning in order. Get whole life, or index life, insurance policies out for the whole entire family. Have the family trust pay into the policies. Now you have a family bank. 7. Everyone in the family needs to have a brokerage account, a decentralized cryptocurrencies wallet, and have substantial assets in the accounts. This will secure any other assets your family wants to acquire once blockchain comes. 8. Make sure to have at least 3 or 4 LLC of any corporate entity created within the family, and have a holding company that's in control of those entities. Then have another trust owning the holding company. Your family should be utilizing business credit, tax breaks, benefits with those entities. Recycling capital income from using the bank's money. You can use that leverage to invest in more assets that will bring more income and wealth within the family, and essentially use all the tax benefits they can to reduce the amount of taxes from their asset. Have at least one, if you can, corporate entity that trades stocks, options, currencies, etc., and have those commissions pay into the family trust and insurance policies as well. Everyone in the family should have a minimum 750 personal credit scores. It's very important your personal credit being good. Everyone in the family can use credit to invest in things like art, ancient artifacts, pretty much anything where credit is accepted at. To put in the family house that sits on the land your family purchased. The artwork and artifacts, and other assets gained value over the years. Everyone in the family should have gold and silver coins at arm's reach as well. 9. Have a nice part of the family land specifically for burial when family members pass to utilize the tax deductions. Trump is a perfect example. He just buried a loved one on his golf course that put him in a position to leverage 100 tax benefits. This is the whole sauce to setting your family up like the royals. It's all business. Family is business. Marriage is business. It's been about business this whole time. People just been tricked out of the game. When you understand business, you'll understand everything. To learn more, make sure to like, share and follow our social media sites. Saul Luhan, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. No Real Estate Investor Left Behind, as we are going to be releasing more and more step-by-step videos.